Eyes are one of our most important sense organs. They allow us to see and explore the world around us, from bright sunsets to tiny details in books. But have you ever wondered how our eyes actually work? How does light become the images that we see every day? Let's take a closer look at the science behind how we see. Light enters the eye by first passing through a clear window called the cornea, which covers the front part of the eye. Once light has passed through the cornea, it travels through a hole in the eye called the pupil. The colored part of the eye surrounding the pupil is called the iris. The iris contains tiny muscles that contract and relax to control the size of the pupil. When the muscles relax, the pupil becomes larger, allowing more light to enter. This happens in dark conditions. When you go outside during the day or enter a brightly lit room, the muscles contract, making the pupil smaller so less light enters the eye. After passing through the pupil, the light reaches the retina at the back of the eye. The retina contains light-sensitive cells that convert light into electrical signals. These signals are then carried to the brain through the optic nerve. The optic nerve sends the signals to the visual cortex, a part in the brain at the back of your head. This is where the signals are interpreted and images are formed. And that is how we are able to see the world around us.